It's that time of the day, guys. It's time to make my juice. So come with me and let's check out the ingredients. So here's my ingredients for my morning juice. So I've got some new ingredients and some ingredients that I use most days. So first of all, I've washed everything really thoroughly, and it's so important to do that. Um, because vegetables and fruits are often sprayed with pesticides and chemicals, and sometimes they attract bugs and all sorts. So it's really, really important to wash them thoroughly. And even if they're organic and they may not have as much chemical sprayed on them, but it's still a really good idea to wash them because they've been handled. And with your anything like lettuces or leafy things, really important to take them apart and wash each leaf individually, because sometimes bugs and that will be hiding inside the leaf. So let's go through the ingredients. So I've got 2 sticks of celery, and I've got a green apple. It's a golden delicious apple, this is, and I have taken the core out. My new ingredient today is red cabbage. Now I'm only going to choose just this small amount because I want to try it. I've never tried it before, so I don't know what it's going to taste like, so I didn't really want to have a large piece. And then I've got some lettuce, and this is baby gem, and I'm using the whole of the lettuce. And I've used lettuce before in juices and it's great. I'm using a courgette as well. I've just topped and tailed that. I've used courgette once before, but usually I use cucumber, so it'll be interesting to see what it tastes like. And I've got some ginger. And ginger is my favourite flavour enhancer. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to just try the juice with my standard regular piece of ginger and see what it tastes like. And I've got this extra piece just in case I need to add a little bit more to it. Okay, so let's get juicing. So guys, this is my juice and I'm just going to serve it up. So guys, here it is, my juice, and I think I'm going to call this red velvet. So guys, there you have it, my fresh wholesome juice. I love juicing because it means that I get all those good nutrients and minerals and vitamins and antioxidants into my body in a fast and easy way, and usually at the top of the day. And anything else that I have throughout the day in terms of fruits and vegetables means it's just extras. So I'm just really fortifying my body with lots of good stuff. So guys, that's it for me today. Please feel free to hit that red subscribe button and click the bell so you'll be notified of more videos like this in the future. Please also, if you found this video of value, give me the thumbs up by hitting that like button, and also feel free to leave a comment in the description box below. Let me know what juices you make if you've started juicing, and if you do, what benefits are you getting from it, and also what are your favourite combinations. Okay guys, I will see you on another video soon. Have a fantastic day. See you soon.